Hi everyone, I've just come to share with you another journal that I've done, and this one is another kind of shabby vintage style journal. I've used some digital kits from Tsunami Rose. There's Artie Mays in here, there is My Porch Prints, and if there's anything else I will let you know. So, oh, there is a Digital Magpie as well. I've used a Digital Magpie paper, which is obviously it's digital, for my cover, and I've printed this out on cardstock, and like I said before, I have a laser printer, so it's not going to wear away. This is like a nice floral faded look, and then on the front here I've got a journal card from My Porch Prints, and I'm absolutely in love with these cards at the moment. I just love butterflies, so you know, if it's got butterfly on it, I'm a sucker for it. So I've used that as my front image. Put the word journal on here. These are freebies from Artie Mays. I've sewn this onto some coffee dyed cardstock as well, so it's nice and thick. This is listed in my shop if you're interested. We've got some fabric tabs on here as well, the like crocheted fabric. So I've had the sneezes today. We've had a massive change in weather. It's been quite cold the last few days, and then today it's boiling hot. So yeah, I've had the sneezes. So hopefully I won't sneeze while doing this. Let's go inside. The main pages are from Tsunami Rose, and that is the Charming Fragments. And I can't remember if it's Charming Fragments 1 or 2, because I've got them all muddled up. Here we have a Terri Woods pocket. Terri is linked below. It all folds out. And if you do watch my videos, you know what these do. And I hope you've all gone over to see how to make them, how easy peasy they are to make. It's decorated with a doily, a ticket and a butterfly. I've got a large tag which says this book belongs to, with some stenciling. And this is from Artie Mays, I think. Yeah, see, I've got all this modelled up now. I've been printing off finding loads of different ephemera that I've already printed off, and I've sorted them all out, and I've put them all in a folder. So now I don't know who's who. So I think that's Artie Mays. So we've got the library card here. This is Tsunami Rose with a doily and some edge punching, and this is called Floral Vine. I haven't actually read the message yet, but it popped up on my phone, and someone had said the Martha Stewart punch is called Floral Vine. So I'm actually going to write that on the punch with a Sharpie, so that when I get asked, I know what it's called, because no doubt if I don't write it down I will forget. So we've got a Edith Holden. This is from the old design shop, and that's just paper clipped on there. On the other side here we have an Edith Holden pocket that I've made, and a large tag in there with all been stenciled, some stamping, the crocheted fabric tab. There's lots of journaling room. Here I just made a pocket and then just added a little cluster embellishment up here. We've got a ticket in the background there, that's from Artie Mays. There's some more crocheted fabric, there's some music paper, this little bird image, can't remember who that's from, the Martha Stewart butterflies, and then some bling here, so I hope you can see that. And inside there we have another one of these butterflies. I think that's the same one as I used on the front cover, and this is a Clemmy Creations idea. So that pops in there, and then we've just got a tri-fold journal piece, and that goes in there. We've got the doily and some edge punching again. And you know what? I've probably what did I call that? See, I forgot already. Floral Vine. The Floral Vine. Yeah, see, that's what I mean. I forget things so easily, like names of things. This is from the old design shop. Just being coffee dyed. when I say coffee dyed, you know, you can get coffee staining, coffee dyeing, everything's coffee dyed. If it gets stains on it, like really nice marks, then that's a bonus. But sometimes things just come out quite neutral in colour, and other times you get some great splodges of stains from the tea or coffee. A layered tag, Tsunami Rose, Charming Fragments. Here I've just done a pocket, using up my scraps again, using the cardstock that I've got little bits of, and I've just layered it with some Artie Maze's paper, some music paper, and another little cluster there. Getting close because so you can see it properly. And then inside there we have a tag, a journal card, another journal card, and a piece of ephemera from Artie Maze. We have a doily, some edge punching, paper bag, Edith Holden. This is from the old design shop. We've just got an index card here which has been stamped on both sides. Another crocheted tab, crocheted fabric tab, centre of the signature, lined paper, another tag here, and again that's just been layered. And this is from the old design shop. Some more Edith Holden, a paper bag, another one of these pockets. Again, it's just got another one of these ideas from Clemmy. Got a few of our videos to watch, got to catch up with a lot. What I normally do is I just put them on my list to watch and then go back and watch them later. Otherwise you can lose who's uploaded a video. So we've got another cluster there. Again, another ticket from Artie Maze in the background there. This is just a fold out or flip out. Another index card there. I'd stop adding, this was just getting really chunky, and you don't want them too chunky, you want to be able to use them. Here we have a corner tuck, another embellishment, and this says Believe on here. It's got a little birdie, the butterflies, some of that crocheted trim, large tag, postcard, I think that's from the Graphics Fairy, and that, I can't remember who that's from, but it was an Etsy purchase. Crocheted tab, another Edith Holden pocket. Now you know, if you don't have Edith Holden pockets, you can do these with anything at all, like any book page. You could even do magazine pages and like ink them up and add some gesso and paint them and do all sorts of crazy stuff. And that pops on there. Love the birdie. Paper bag, edge punching, doily, and then this is another Terri Woods pockets. You know, this is the double one that flips down and out like that. Secret writing, folded up, and nobody knows it's there. So we have the tag, some Tsunami Rose ephemera, and a journal card here, and then this is from Tsunami Rose as well, and the paper clip just holds this closed and everything in place, and then the back page is like so. So there we have it, another chunky one. Like I said, it was at 96 pages front and back, this one is, if I didn't say it before, and it will be listed in my shop. All the other links will be below. If you have any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.